What's going on, you guys? It's Crypto Yang back in full effect. What's up, Crypto Yang gang? I am back with another ELDERHASH update. Just letting y'all know, for anybody who didn't see my last video, ELDERHASH pays. Yes, they pay. Let me show you. So, I made a withdrawal on the 3rd, which is technically yesterday now. I made a video about the withdrawal, and I told you I was going to update you guys. And within 2 hours of my withdrawal request, the amount withdrawn was 0.000572220. All right, I'm gonna go. Well, actually, you can see it right here. So 0.00057,220 satoshis. So the Bitcoin address was 14N and ends in WY6. 14N, WY6. You see my balance here. I had some Bitcoin sitting in here, but if you look on the side at the time, 0.0005722. That is 57,220 satoshis. They just left out that zero right there. Okay, guys. So this site is paying. Technically, they're on day 3 at this moment. I started on day 1, got paid on day 2, and I'm gonna get paid again on day 3 tomorrow. And we're gonna see how that goes as well. As of right now, if you can, let me show you. My deposit that I made was $50 worth. Okay, that's 0.00581 Bitcoin. All right. So basically, this website is like a cloud mining website, and the returns are 100% every 10 days. So every day you get 10% of whatever you deposited. When you sign up for the website, if you look at the home screen, it tells you they give you 150 gigahashes per second of free sign-up power. That's $5 worth of gigahash power. Of hash power. Okay, so you'll get $5 for free. Now, what basically that means is in 10 days, you'll get $5 worth of Bitcoin and you'll be able to withdraw. I'm not sure if they're going to pay you, because if you don't deposit, I don't know if they're going to pay. I'm just saying, in my experience, so far, I put in $50. 10% of $50 is $5, and the amount of Bitcoin that I withdrew was $5 worth of Bitcoin. This is $5 worth of Bitcoin. I'll show you right here. BTC to USD. So that is 10% of what I invested. I invested $50, and they gave me $5 today. All right. If you don't, if you need more proof, this was 5 hours ago. This is Binance, and they actually emailed me to let me know that this amount of BTC came in. Okay, Crypto Yang. All right. So this is real, you guys. We're not playing games out here. I definitely made a deposit. I definitely made a withdrawal. It is on day 2 still. Technically, it's day 3 now for me, because it's a new day. It's the 4th. It's February 4th for me. All right. When we first started, when I first made my first video, the active users were at 12,000 people. All right. The user withdrawals were at 0. Even when I made my second and third videos, and then the withdrawal video, you saw the withdrawal amount was like 0.1 something Bitcoin. Now it's double that. So they're definitely paying out. These are the kind of websites that you want to jump in on early, because if you jump in early, they're going to be paying until we don't know how long. But if I were you, I would jump in early. I'm not a professional financial consultant or advisor. I'm giving you my personal opinion. What you do with that is up to you. Do your due diligence, check the website out, see if you like it. If you find something that you like about it and you want to invest, throw some money at it, 20 bucks, 30 bucks, whatever. Just throw something at it, so that way you can actually make something worthy. For you to be able to withdraw every day, the minimum withdrawal is this amount right here, 0.0005. That's $5 of Bitcoin. So you have to put at least $50 into this website to be able to withdraw every single day. You put in $50 worth of Bitcoin, you will be able to withdraw $5 for every single day. Now, basically, after 10 days, you will have your money back. anything past 10 days is all profit, pure profit. And the fact that we're on only day 2 is amazing, because that means that we have a good little bit of time before this site may shut down. You never know. These sites do shut down, you know. They get tired of paying people. They want to take their profits and they disappear. All right. So, I mean, high risk, high reward. It's a gamble. You know, if you want to give it a shot, give it a shot. But as you can see, I did get paid. This was a deposit made, a withdrawal from here, which was a deposit into my account, making making it 0.000572 Bitcoin richer than it was before. So, hey, you want to sign up? Sign up. I got plenty of people who have signed up. I'm waiting on them to comment on my videos to let me know if they got paid or not yet. They just signed up today. I hope to hear some good news from them tomorrow. But I just wanted to let y'all know, ELDERHASH, I got the link in the description. I got the link in the comments. Sign up. Give it a shot if you want to. And let me know what happens with you. All right. So far right now, ELDERHASH is not a scam to me. It's working perfectly fine. All right. You guys, I appreciate all your support. Subscribe. Share the video. Like the video. Comment. Let me know what you think. And, you know, Crypto Yang signing out. Just wanted to give y'all an update that I did get paid on ELDERHASH. Talk to y'all later.